Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Sorry that I haven't made a video in a while. This is the first time I've set my craft room in over like 10 days. It's been so busy. Um, so yeah, it's me. I have a HSN haul. I've had it for over 10 days, but before I put it up on the shelves, I wanted to show you. They did just have a sale 2 days ago, and there's a lot. 99% of what I'm going to show you is for sale now still. I pre-ordered and I've got a lot coming in. I went a little crazy on this sale, and I used the excuse that it's Mother's Day and you don't have to buy me anything because I've already bought it. So anyway, um, so let's get started. First, I wanted to thank Debbie. She sent me a package. This is from Debbie Vonigal. I'll put her, gosh, I know I'm not saying her name right, her last name. I'll put her link down below. We have been YouTube, Facebook, and friends and texting for quite a few years, maybe 6 years or so. And so she sent me a little gift. And Debbie, uh, I have not been in my craft room, so I haven't put your package together yet, but I'm going to try to do that in the next 2 days. So look at the little card she made with the raised flowers. Um, so she made me a bottle charm that you go on top of this right here, and look how crooked this thing is and messed up, and I have needed it and been wanting one, so I'm so happy to get one. And I'm going to send her something, I don't know what yet, but I'll get something together. But look at the dangle charm piece that she's made me. Isn't this beautiful? So when I take this top off, the pin off of my glue bottle, and if you don't use art glitter glue, you're not using the right glue. This is wonderful glue. Um, what I do is I refill it a lot of times, and this is a heavier one, and I just refill it. But when you put the pin down, you lose it. But now when I put this down and everything, I'm not going to lose this. I'm going to know right where it is. What I do is I always put it right here on my light, and look at there. So um, isn't it gorgeous though? I am so happy that I have this. It's beautiful. Glass beads with little roses in it or something. They're really pretty. Handmade. Made with love, it says on that little thing. Made with love on that little charm. But it is gorgeous. I know that she sells these. I've seen her YouTube channel where she's saying she sells them. I don't remember the price, and I don't know how long it takes. I'm sure she could get them out pretty fast, but I'll put her link down below so that you can contact her. But it is wonderful. So I'm going to stick it on there and it'll hang. So, but right now it's all gummed up with glue. But isn't that nice? I'm just so pleased and so happy. It doesn't take much to make me happy. She shows so much love to me, and I really appreciate it. So thank you very much, Debbie. And your card is beautiful too. Okay, so now let's get with the HSN. Let me save her address. Anyway, so this all happens to be in a Griffin stuff. And I pre-ordered it, and I got it in way before the show, and I'm going to have a lot more stuff coming in. So this is the trimmings, cut, embossing folders, and there's 3 of them. And what you do is when you put your paper in here, and then you just use your 2A plates, it will cut this out and emboss at the same time. So there are the 3 different patterns. Let's see. I don't think you can see what but I will then make a video with these and show you how to use them and what I used them on. But here are some of the ideas that she gives us. She always gives us beautiful, beautiful instructions. So let me put this off to the side and show you What else you can run and go buy? Let me see what's in here, because I don't know. Oh, I've been wanting these for a long time. These are Doily Dies. One's a doily, one is a, there's three of them. One is a doily, one is almost like a tablecloth, but this one is supposed to be a napkin. So these are the Doily Dies, and this is what it would look like, but it's supposed to be using it as a napkin, like right here as a napkin with the T on top. It's hard to see right now. And the Doily Die, oh, I'm so happy to have this, and just layers and layers. And so yeah, so I got these in. Oh, I'm so happy, happy, happy. I've been putting those off for months, and then finally bought them. Okay, next is, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more items to show you. Well, can't believe I haven't been in my craft room in over 10 days. Look at this church easel die. Isn't that beautiful? It's going to be so much fun to make, but it's a church easel die. Let me get out the paperwork that goes with it. I love that Anna's dies come on a magnetic board, and it's so easy to keep all your pieces. As soon as you use it, you just stick it right back on the board, because you know you could lose the little bell or the little cross and stuff. Let's get a closer look. She said the doors will open, so that's going to be fun. Beautiful for weddings, Christmas, maybe make a whole bunch and just leave them at the church, and the people at the church can pass them out. I'll do that. You know I will. So here you go. Isn't it the prettiest dies? That's too close. Yeah, let me get away from the light. Maybe that's better. And it gives the instructions and everything, so I can't wait to use this. Okay, moving on. I don't know if y'all knew it, but I bought the Anna Griffin Impress, the large one. She had a wholesale at her warehouse sale. She had a massive sale, and I bought her used 2 times only on demos on HSN, and I can pick out when she used it because it had one imprint of something, and I watched her make it. I watched her make the imprint. So I've got the the Anna Griffin Impress cutting machine, but it didn't come with the large plates. So right now they have the large plates that go with it, and this die will then fit on these large plates. So see why I needed the large plates. But the whole set is on sale right now. It's got the magnetic, it's got the shim and all that. So yeah, I got that. And it takes 6 months to get these back in stock, so I was happy to grab that. Anna Griffin has a, I don't know if it's hers, I don't know if she's in it, but there is on Facebook an Anna Griffin group that shows off all of Anna Griffin stuff. So so if you love Anna Griffin, you need to join that group. I'll put that link down below. This is a auto ship. She does have it for sale as buy one, but this was my auto ship. It was my last auto ship, and it is the Handsome Spinner Card Making Kit. And it makes spinner cards with this beautiful pattern and paper. And so look at all the colors, very regal, and all the extra pieces, but look at the colors that you get on this. Look at that card. And then, you know, you put the spinner piece, you put the string right here. This is all tape. You put the string here, close it up, and then the two spinner medallions, and it spins and spins. When they open it, it'll spin. But this is beautiful. So it comes with everything you need. It comes with the inserts. It comes with the envelopes. It comes with the string. It comes with all the extra pieces. Her kits are wonderful. You can take just this box and go out of town on vacation, go camping, and have everything you need right here, and maybe take some tape like this, and that's all you would need to grab, and you could go. The last item that I have is for him Easel card making kit. This is a auto ship also, but she has the singles for sale right now, and so they're Easel cards for men. It's so hard to find stuff for men, so look at all the goodies in that. It is all the sentiments, the pop dots, all the extra feathers and stars and all kind of stuff, labels, cutouts. I can emboss these. It's got the card that stands up. It's got the easel part. It's just got everything you need. Frames, envelopes. Once again, take this and you can go on a little trip and have all your stuff you need. It's a kit. It's a kit, and all you need is a little bit of tape. And there you go, guys. That is my Anna Griffin haul from HSN. I've had it for 10 days. I know that this stuff is for sale right now, so I would go to hsn.com and go find you some goodies to buy if you're interested in anything that I bought. I hope you liked what I showed you, because I'm just so happy to get all this. Yes. All right. Have a blessed day, everybody.